Hi guys, in this video we will learn how you can integrate Amazon Alexa directly to your smart switch and operate using voice commands. Also, you can create local web page inside ESP to operate locally using mobile phone.
Alexa, turn on L2.
Before starting this video, if you really want to learn home automation for free, then please subscribe to my channel. Share to home automation lovers who want to understand or learn home automation and want to generate some side income by providing home automation service. And hit the like button if you like the video, which motivate me to give latest information of home automation to you for free. Now open Arduino IDE. ESP board should be pre-installed in Arduino IDE. You can see my previous videos to install ESP board in Arduino IDE. After that, we require 4 libraries in code. First is ESPalexa. ESPalexa is basically used to interact with Amazon Alexa. Another is ESPasync web server to create server, WebSocket to interact with web server, and Arduino JSON. WebSocket and Arduino JSON is used to get the data from web server. To install this library, go to Sketch, include library, manage libraries. Then search for ESPalexa. After installation of ESPalexa, search for WebSocket. And then install WebSocket by Marcus. After WebSocket, search for Arduino JSON and install Arduino JSON. After installation of all the libraries, then go to Files, Example and search for ESPalexa. Inside ESPalexa, select ESPalexa with Async Web Server. Basically, I am combining two examples. First is ESPalexa and another is WebSocket. So I am defining two light functions here, that is first light change and second light change. After this SSID and password I am declaring, then Wi-Fi connected and declaring some libraries. Here is the local web page which is displayed locally on ESP. Defining some buttons inside local web page. These functions will be triggered by clicking on the buttons inside web page. Inside void setup, declaring the web page. When server is on, the web page will be displayed. And if the server is not found, then plain text will be displayed. After that, ESPalexa devices is mentioned in void setup. Then ESPalexa will begin inside server. Then WebSocket begins and WebSocket event. This event will collect the data from local web page and display it in Arduino JSON format. And I differentiate each data from JSON format and trigger pin accordingly. So data is sent in JSON format and collected on WebSocket event, and differentiate this and trigger pin accordingly. In void loop, mention ESPalexa loop and WebSocket loop also. WebSocket code you can get from file example, then search for WebSocket, then ESP8266 and WebSocket server. You can get all the codes of WebSocket from here and change this code according to your need. After that, first light and second light of ESPalexa. Then Wi-Fi connections. And the last part is mechanical switch. The code is written in this way: when the switch changes its state, it will trigger the pin. So this mechanical switch should also be written in void loop. Then define input and output pin in void setup. Then compile this code. After compiling, upload this code to ESP. After upload, a hotspot is created from ESP. I name it as Assist. Connect to hotspot of ESP. After successful connection, open web browser and type the IP 192.168.4.1. Then wait for some time. After that, a local web page will be generated on web browser. You will see the buttons in local web page. When you trigger the button, it will send data to ESP and ESP trigger the pin which will switch on and switch off the relay. Now coding part is over. Let's search the two switches. Please note, physically Alexa should be present and connected to the same router where ESP is connected. the connection of switch as well as light as mentioned in the diagram.
Alexa, turn on L1. Alexa, turn on L2. Alexa, turn off L1. Alexa, turn off L2. Alexa, turn off L2. Alexa, turn off L1. Alexa, turn on L2. Alexa, turn on L1. Alexa, turn on L1. Alexa, turn on L2. Alexa, turn off L2.